What is the one place you always end up going back to? You see, I'm not a filmmaker, but I want to tell stories, or in this case, a story, of where I end up when the world gets too loud, or when the pains of growing up becomes too heavy to carry, where I return to when I feel so much joy it swells to the point of overflow, and I just need to share it. In this one story is a song I keep humming to myself but can't seem to finish the lyrics to, a Filipino folk song my parents used to sing to me as a child, Bahay Kubo, which literally means country house or nipa hut. My parents would never sing the whole song. I only ever learned the first line. Then for Christmas, I received a gift so thoughtful and meaningful, it has stayed with me ever since. A gingerbread house. Well, not just any gingerbread house, but one that was specifically designed to be a Bahay Kubo. It might seem ordinary, but the way this meant so much to not only me, but my family. There's a word in Tagalog, BALIKBAYAN, which directly translates to return to country, return to the homeland. And this word is unique because it is so special and specific to the experience of Filipinos living in a diaspora. It doesn't only refer to the physical act of returning to your home country, it's a return to yourself. Balikbayan is the holding on tight to our identity, the swelling of pride for our culture, the heartache and nostalgia that comes with collecting pieces of our motherland wherever we can. I never would have imagined I'd ever see, let alone be building, a gingerbread Bahay Kubo for Christmas with my family in Canada. Seeing this little house, seeing our culture and identity being represented in a form that's originally quite Western, felt like that. A return to ourselves. In a sunlit room with the sun seeped through arched windows, where we stayed hunched and huddled building our masterpiece, it was only until I heard my parents sing the full song that I realized that this song about a simple nipa hut surrounded by vegetables is really about the celebration of our roots and the joy that comes with remembering that a fulfilling life isn't measured by abundance, but by the gratitude for the simple little things. So in the moments I feel the smallest, when I find myself drifting, humming this one Tagalog song that I still can't seem to finish, it brings me back to the ones that keep me grounded even when I'm falling apart, the one place I will always return to.